in the Birmingham area. So really good product coming together. Let's go away and have a look. There's we have a tea station. We can now see what that's going to look like as a final finished product. So this week we've been working on the tiles, and they've had tile adhesive go on. We've had to wait for that to go off with the tile spacers. We've now grouted that, waiting for the grout to go off. Applied the tile trims. All looks really good, especially with the brushless double socket here. There's another socket underneath for the fridge, and the cornices are on the top as well. So these units, tiles, worktops look absolutely fantastic, and look at all the space somebody's got now for all their appliances that they would want. So really great feature in this room. Upstairs with the second ensuite, the second plumbing complete, radiators on, toilet connected, sink plumbed in, tiles on and grouted, shower area connected. In regards to the second bedroom, we have the radiator here behind the door, kitchenette to the side, fridge space down the bottom, worktop area, and wall units with the cornices on, providing great storage space. This bedroom is nice and light and has a great view of the garden area. Down here, landing area, and this week what we've seen is a second fix of the electrical work being completed with sensor lights, smoke detectors, fire alarms going up, another sensor light here. Front bedroom upstairs, so this is more of the second fix of the electrical work and plumbing completed, just to give you an idea. Here's the kitchenette area with the tiles applied, with their grout, tile trims, space for the fridge underneath, had Z bars applied that will go between the carpet and the hard vinyl tiles. Got really thick underlay in here, so should be silent for anybody living downstairs, especially when the carpet goes on. And the ensuite area with the LED light, LED mirror which will be going on in this area. Tiles have been applied, grouted, radiators connected, toilet connected, and really large shower area in here with the hard vinyl tiles, waterproof, reduces any swelling, reduces complaints. Loft bedroom now, 7th bedroom of the house. Masses of space in here. Shouldn't disappoint on the space, shouldn't disappoint on all the sockets, there being enough power. I'll spin around to give you a layout. Shouldn't disappoint on it being cozy with a nice tea station for the fridge, lots of storage in there with power, double sockets on your worktop. Shouldn't disappoint on natural light, nice large window. Ensuite area, second fix of the plumbing complete. Shower here, just calling out for somebody to take a nice long hot shower. Stick their towel on that radiator, get that dry. No problems there, no problem madam. Hard vinyl waterproof tiles. Carpet grippers down, just calling out for the carpet to be in. In the meantime, we can just use our imagination to see what this massive room is going to look like in the end. Lots of character. Premium, fully ensuite bedroom, I think you'll agree. Coming downstairs, and in the entrance hallway we have the radiator that's been fitted, plumbed in into the first bedroom. Underlays down, ready for the carpet. Lots of natural light in here. Ensuite area, and a radiator has been fitted in the corner behind the door. and another radiator to go by the window. Ensuite area, second fix complete in here with the radiator, toilet, the sink, the shower. Fantastic showers, really inviting. Hard vinyl tiles down, door on, door furniture to be fitted, and fire door behind me. Lots of height in this room, so if you're looking for natural light and height with a cozy tea station. Second bedroom of the house, and mainly been using this area as a bit of a storage area, so not been able to get in here and complete all of the work that we would have wanted. Downstairs has mainly been left till last in regards to completing the second fix, but we do have the doors on, do have the electric at the second fix stage, double sockets on. Once it's all painted, it will really help with the overall appearance of this room, but there's still ample space and height in here. Now into the kitchen diner area, past the boiler room, and we can now see the kitchen has been installed with double hobs on the top to cook, double ovens down the bottom, double sockets along the top worktops, providing lots of power, double extraction fans, and plenty of units on the wall, on the ground for tenants' items. Where they're going to wash up, right here where the washing machine can go, all protected at the moment. And where can they dry those clothes? Over here where there's an additional sink as well, so lots of space for the tenants to be able to work and get along in here and dry their clothes afterwards. And then we have the cylinder system, 300 cylinder system, which will be pumping the house. Lots of hot water, can heat all the ensuite showers with water, no problem at all at the same time. And that's exactly what you want if you're going to be living here, so win-win for everyone. Again, moving on from the kitchen into the extension bedroom, we have the corridor area here with the sensor lights, a fire door on the outside, handles on the kitchenette unit, brushless steel. Second fix of the plumbing complete with a radiator, plug sockets, USB socket. Paint is on the wall in here, so it'll be absolutely fantastic, pleasant place to live again, and actually be able to show you the layout of this extra space. It will actually be closed off to the tenants, but you can see some of the plumbing work that's been completed down here with the stopcock, drain off system, soil pipe which goes from the loft through the first floor, through the ground floor, all connected up, nice network out to the sewer, inspection chamber that we've installed, which didn't exist before we came here. We have the copper pipes leading to the cylinder system, boiler system in the boiler room. Really tidy work, all connected up at every meter, exactly what you want to see. And these will help provide the property with plenty of water from the mains water out on the street all the way through without causing any reduction in pressure throughout the property. Oh, and we have the smoke detector as well down here and a small pendant light, so everything you'd need for a basement light, I think you'll agree.